Today I'm going to, whoa. I am going to be unboxing the Nintendo Switch Lite. Been using it for a little while, but I'm going to return it. And I'll say why I return it after this unboxing video. Well, I got this because I thought that it would be enough. Like, you know, I just wanted to play some games sometimes. You know, I want to play Mario Kart. I'm going to be returning it because I didn't realize how much I really wanted to use it on the TV, which my TV is right there. I didn't realize how much I'd use that and tabletop mode. And I did get some other controllers to be able to use with it, which I don't have right now because I forgot to bring them. I should have brought them here when I was doing the video, but whatever. I was like, okay, that'd be great. And then I got those, and then I realized I had to pay $80 more or $60 more to get a charging thing, the thing to charge them. And maybe I could have got a dock or whatever for a little bit cheaper. You just plop them in there and it charges. I wanted the controller that you can charge. I'm gonna return this, and I'm gonna spend, instead of $60, I'm gonna spend a little bit more just to get the better deal. This is great. But if you don't have another Nintendo Switch and you think you're gonna use this on the TV or use it in tabletop mode or local multiplayer, get the Nintendo Switch OLED. Now don't get the regular Nintendo Switch unless you can't spend $50 to get the OLED. But the OLED, if you're planning to use it a lot in handheld mode and on the tabletop, it's worth it because the screen is so much bigger. An unboxing video of that back there, the Switch OLED, will be coming soon. Also, one more thing. Before you go, don't go. Whatever you do, don't go. If you plan to use the Nintendo Switch for recording purposes, which I'm going to do, This cannot do that. Yeah, the only route to go down is the OLED. Like, they pretty much make it so there's no option to get this. Like, if this had the docking feature and maybe detachable Joy-Cons, and that's it, that's all it had, I wouldn't have gotten OLED. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you stay subscribed. Check out my other channel, Hadenator 9999999. That's my new gaming channel. I'm gonna end the video before you click off.